Ladies and gentlemen, we will soon be switching off the fasten seatbelt signs. However, we do recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. And if you need to fit your personal belongings, please be careful when opening the luggage bins, as hand luggage may have moved during takeoff and could fall out. Ladies and gentlemen, during the boarding process we have given you a handover about information of the coronavirus and a passenger locator form. Please fill out this form during the flight and the ground staff in Düsseldorf will collect your form. So not us, the ground staff, and it is on request of the Federal Ministry of Germany. So please fill this in and the ground staff will get it from you.